Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Confirm both VMs are in the same region or decide on VPN/peering if not, because latency and routing differ. Next, assign static private IPs on each VM NIC to avoid address changes. Once done, open the Azure portal, navigate to the resource group, and ensure you have owner or network contributor rights. This lets you create NSGs, VNet peering, and modify NICs without permission errors. Now you configure the network and security rules that enable connectivity. If possible, place both VMs in the same VNet and subnet. If they are in different VNets, create VNet peering and enable forwarded traffic. Then create or update network security groups to allow the specific ports you need. SSH22 for Linux, RDP 3389 for Windows, or custom application ports, because NSGs block by default. Also make sure the VM operating system. Finish by testing and validating the connection between VMs and applying a key troubleshooting step. Use ping and then SSH or RDP to connect to the other VM's private IP. This isolates Azure networking from public endpoint issues. If connection fails, check effective security rules on the NIC and subnet, review NSG flow logs, and confirm VNet peering is established and not disabled. The most useful single troubleshooting tip. Verify the VM OS firewall and NSG align. One mismatched rule commonly blocks traffic even when Azure shows connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.